What is going on, guys? Jaime Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Thursday, January 28th, 2021. The time is 9:29. We got less than a minute before the market opens. In front of you, I have two charts. So we have the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 on a 5-minute time frame. I'm trading on a funded account. If you guys want to learn more of how to get funded without risking your money, I'm gonna leave a link below this video. With that said, guys, we are trying to get this account past the evaluation. We are very close, so don't forget to watch tomorrow's video, Friday, where we do a recap of the last 10 trading days, which is what it takes. It's minimum of 10 trading days, make $3,000 profit without losing $2,500 in the process. So with that said, guys, market's about to open. We see that the market was here on the night session, came all the way up. So right now, this could be just a retracement right here before it continues to go to the upside. So at this point, I have no trend lines on the upside, just have this one on the downside. So with that said, I'm just gonna be patient, just gonna wait to see what the market wants to do. Again, market just opened. You can see here that it just went all the way up, almost getting to this last resistance. It's doing a pullback, so we're gonna have to wait and see what it wants to do. If in fact it's just retracing and it's gonna continue to the upside, or if it's a reversal and it's gonna it's gonna start dropping. Same thing with the S&P. Market was down here in the overnight session. Now it's over here, it touched that resistance. So again, we're just gonna have to wait to see if this is in fact just a pullback before it continues to the upside, or if it's gonna be a reversal. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and get you guys back when we are ready to trade. All right, guys, I didn't do it fast enough. Sorry about that, guys. I couldn't get the video going fast enough. But what we did here, again, we're in uptrend. So what I did is I waited for this pullback. And then as soon as I saw that this candle had already passed this past highs, that's when I pulled the trigger. But since I was not recording, by the time I pulled the trigger and I went and I started recording, you saw just the last seconds. But we hit our goal, guys, $300. We are out. Don't forget, guys, tomorrow it's my last day for this. Well, I mean, not the last day, but it's day 10 on the evaluation account that I'm trading. So we are very, very, very close to the goal. Matter of fact, I think we're like a couple of $100 short. But tomorrow, don't miss our video, guys, so that way I can show you the recap and the next steps. So if we get that trade tomorrow, then we'll be able to pass the evaluation and go into the performance account. And then I'll show you guys a video on that. And then that's the account where you can start actually withdrawing profits. So with that said, guys, I know it was a very short trade. Again, market open. I'll do a recap real quick. So we knew we were in uptrend. Market open, didn't do much, came up to this resistance, came all the way down, and when it hit this low right here and it started going the other way, as soon as it broke this highs, I pulled the trigger and we got hit. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, drop them below. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.